IonQ is raising the bar again. The quantum computing company has increased its full-year 2026 revenue guidance for another consecutive quarter, signaling stronger demand, improving commercial momentum, and confidence in its execution. According to the earnings graphic, IonQ previously expected FY 2026 revenue of $260 million to $270 million. The company has now raised that forecast to $280 million to $290 million. That represents a $20 million increase at both the low and high ends of the guidance range. And there's another important detail investors should notice. This outlook does not yet include any contribution from Skywater. That means any future impact from the Skywater transaction could potentially provide additional upside if the integration and business expansion perform as expected. So, why is IonQ becoming more optimistic? One major factor is strong commercial momentum. Larger enterprise deals and an expanding customer base are helping drive demand. Another factor is growing government demand, including increased federal funding and national security initiatives related to quantum technology. IonQ is also seeing continued adoption of its cloud and platform services, while progress in quantum networking could open the door to new use cases and partnerships. Operational execution is another part of the story. Better performance, efficiency, and scalability could help the company convert more of its pipeline into revenue. The bigger picture is especially interesting. The graphic shows IonQ's revenue guidance midpoint increasing from approximately $137.5 million initially to $285 million in the latest guidance, representing a substantial increase over the period shown. For investors, the key takeaway is that IonQ appears to be building momentum across several areas: quantum computing, networking, cloud services, enterprise customers, and government demand. But investors should also remember that higher guidance does not guarantee future stock performance. Quantum computing remains an emerging and highly competitive industry, and execution, spending, competition, and market expectations can all affect the company's results. Looking ahead, the next major milestone highlighted in the graphic is IonQ's Q3 2026 earnings report, scheduled for November 5th, 2026. So the big question is, can IonQ continue raising expectations? And can its revenue growth eventually match the enormous expectations surrounding the quantum computing industry? IonQ is raising its guidance. The next chapter could be even more important.